Hi, need to save something important on your Android phone? Taking a screenshot is one of the quickest ways to capture conversations, photos, web pages, receipts, or anything displayed on your screen. In this guide, you'll learn two simple methods that work on most Android devices. Step 1. Use the button combination. Standard method. The easiest and most common way to take a screenshot is by using your phone's physical buttons. First, open the screen you want to capture. This could be a text message, a web page, a social media post, or any app. Next, press the power, side button and the volume down button at the same time. Hold them for just a second, then release them together. If done correctly, your screen will briefly flash and you may hear a camera shutter sound depending on your settings. A small screenshot preview or toolbar will appear near the bottom or side of the screen. From there, you can quickly edit, crop, draw on, share, or delete the screenshot. If you don't interact with the preview, it will automatically disappear after a few seconds, and your screenshot will be saved in the Gallery or Photos app inside the Screenshots folder. Step 2. Use the Quick Settings panel. No physical buttons needed. If your power or volume buttons aren't working, Android also lets you take screenshots using the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice to fully expand the Quick Settings menu. Look for the Take Screenshot or Screenshot tile and tap it. Your phone will instantly capture whatever is displayed on the screen. If the screenshot tile isn't available, tap the pencil or edit icon, find the screenshot option, and drag it into your active Quick Settings tiles. Save the changes, and the shortcut will be ready whenever you need it. You're all set. Taking screenshots on Android is quick and easy. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more simple tech guides and tips.